What's the meaning of corresponding? Corresponding. Corresponding.
Corresponding. Corresponding. Corresponding refers to something that matches or relates to another thing in a particular way. For example, if we have two sets of data and we want to compare them, we might look at the corresponding values in each set, i.e., the values that have matching or equivalent positions. In general, when we talk about corresponding things, we are looking for similarities or relationships between them that can be used to better understand or analyze the data or information we are working with. Understanding corresponding values is important in many areas, including data analysis, engineering, and scientific research. By identifying and analyzing corresponding values, we can gain insights into how different factors affect one another and make better informed decisions.